2019, it full ups and downs. At the beginning of 2019, life gave me a hard slap in my face, a big wake-up call. Losing my job was an easy thing to deal with.
I'm already in Vietnam right now. Just landed in Hong Kong, going to catch the sunset in Victoria Peak.
It's not about the destination, but it's a journey and what it has taught me. As an old saying, jobs will fill your pocket and adventures will fill your soul. I cherished every second, every moment, and the journey. One by one, lists that I kept in my bucket had been ticked up. The greatest of all was discovering places with someone who was really special. I discovered that we have had an adventure souls between us, but when the time passed, we had to willingly to walk in the different direction for the best of us. As a wise man once said, you never realize how great the moment is until it becomes a memory. There was another message sent to me by universe. Life brought me down again. Was taken again from me, and what remains is just a memory. Slap in my face again, but in this time it's really hard. Trapped in the big hole, but somehow I see the light in the end of it, and somehow life gives me hope, and I still have it within me. "2019, thank you for the lessons and the memories. 2020, with the hopes, let's the adventures begin." Yeah, that's my year video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's hope together that 2020 will be so much joyful for us, and hopeful. I have a lot of things that I learned by last year. First one, always be good to everyone, whoever they are. And the second one, don't complain. Whatever happened in your life, don't complain. And the third one, be yourself. Don't cover it to be liked. The fourth one, please no one. Last one, the most important thing, love yourself. Okay, guys, Happy New Year. I hope this New Year will be better than before. Thank you so much for watching. Now and over.